Where is that? Oh, hang on a sec. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hello guys, welcome back to the returning subscribers, and if you're new, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification option to stay updated on all my new uploads too. Today we're going to take a look at these Treblab wireless headphones. This particular headset, being the Treblab Z2s, retail between £70 to £130. That's between 82 to 165 in US dollars. They are one of the few headsets that Treblab have to offer, with the Z2s being the main lineup. Outside the box, there is a... Oh, hang on a sec. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, so they have a very solid and well presented box. To the front is the initial image of the Z2 headphones, with the same image that is repeated around two other sides of the box, with a few details that are listed, like the fact it has 40mm speakers with advanced aptX sound, active noise cancellation, and is described as having a 35-hour battery life. Well, we'll see about that in my usual 3-day test. Let's delve inside. Again, well presented, I can assume right now that these headphones should be 100% safe during transit. The drop cord case gives you that initial good vibe and impact on first glances. Nevertheless, headphone quality is what we're really looking for. Hopefully, it will match the quality of the case, so let's press on. Righty then, so first of all we have the headphones, and these headphones have swivel style ear cups. Again, there is that vinyl feel Treblab logo to the outside of the headphone driver units. Let's just place this headset to the side just for now and see what the accessories are. I do like this storage pouch, that's nice to see, and included is a 60cm flat wired micro USB charge cable, a 115cm flat wired 3.5mm audio cable with microphone, and a call pause play button. There is a very detailed user manual with a handy 1-year warranty registration barcode to the back. Well, now back to the headphones. Okay, so first of all, these headphones are super light, around about 250 grams. They have a matte black finish, they feel and look great, and they surely ain't no fingerprint magnet. I can understand why Treblab specified that these Z2s have a cloud-like comfort, as the earpads feel real plush with that synthetic leather. It has a matching headband with logo embedded, which isn't too little nor too over the top with that padding. To the right hand side of the driver unit we have a microphone, an auxiliary input, a USB charge port, and the LED indicator. The three main buttons consist of the previous and next track selections, initialized with a long press, as well as acting as the volume up and volume down button during a short press. To the centre we have the main power button, which also has other functions, like the pause, play, answer, reject and redial call options. To the left hand side of the headset there is an active noise cancellation button, with an LED indicator just below. Connectivity is swift by pressing and holding the power button for around 6 seconds. Search and select Treblab from your device and you should now be good to go. Okay, so they sound real loud already. Let's just try them on, and you know what? Okay, they actually really feel very comfortable, especially around the ears with that plush padding. I found they stuck to my head firmly without much pressure, and initially the sound quality and loudness was pretty good. Active noise cancellation without playing any audio, or you can hear an active gentle hum, which right away you can notice the difference from the outside noise. Here's an example. So here we go. Hello guys! Hello guys! Let's go ahead and switch it off again. Hello guys! Hello guys! Okay, that works fine. But do you know what guys? 2-minute tests and never true reviews. Yes, first initial results are going to be surprising, especially if the particular headset that you're testing are very loud and have tremendous bass. I personally feel it's not a true insight into the quality with different genres of music, especially with different tones over a longer time scale. For example, the headphones I test are run from a full charge until the battery fully dies. So with that being said, I'll be back very shortly.
3 days later.
I'm back, and after 3 days using these Treblab Z2s, what's my overall feeling? Let's start with the battery life. Out of a full charge, I just got over 31 hours with 100% full volume. You could possibly get to that 35-hour mark with 80% volume if you wish, and when the battery does die, just simply connect the auxiliary cable. Audio quality is real good, bass is spot on and has a low bass rating of 12Hz. High tones and mid-range was real good too. They have a treble high of 15,100Hz, which in a scale between 20 to 20,000Hz is not too shabby at all. Also, in addition, these Z2s do have a remarkable precisiveness in polarity with directional sound. Overall, the comfort was fantastic with how snug and how light these headphones actually are. My ears didn't sweat one bit while in use, and with the Bluetooth 4.2 I just got over 36 feet before the headphones disconnected. Now there are some negatives if I'm to be picky. Like I stated, the audio was fine, but with the vibration of both drivers at 100% volume, these logoed metal side discs gave off a vibrational feeling, which in turn caused me to notice and felt irritated over a long period. The tale of a perfect headset is not to have your attention took away from you, no matter how good the quality and audio is. However, turning the volume down to 80%, I did find that the vibration was no longer evident, and that the quality sat perfect. The active noise cancellation works just fine, however clarity is reduced. Once it's activated, you do lose mids, bass, and the high tones are a little excessive. Overall, these Treblab Z2s stand out from the crowd. They look great, they have an easily noticeable premium look, and audio quality was exceptional. Drawing me to the conclusion that if I was to take into account the price of these headphones, what would I give this headset out of my usual rating out of 10? Well, drumrolls please! Well, I think it's only right after my personal use over 3 days with these headphones that I indeed rate them 8 out of 10. I do indeed recommend these headphones today, as they not only offer good bass, but it's the preciseness and clarity and the comfort all combined that I find most appealing, and I think they would be welcomed as a gift for anyone wanting a decent headset. I will go ahead and leave a buy now link in the video description right down below, and guys, please go ahead and share this video wherever possible, smash that like button, subscribe, not forgetting, now this is important, to click that bell notification option, otherwise you won't see my new uploads. And you know what, I'll see you guys soon over on my new video. Thanks for watching, peace!